Miss Anna, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yours na to. Green. Ay! Maganda tuloy ko. Small, medium. Ganda ng quality. Small, mid. Zipper back. Super ganda ng quality. 480 na lang to, bebe. Code ako quality, small, medium. Quality, small, medium, 480 pesos. Code is quality. Ito, brand new by H&M Satin Silk, ha. Extra small to semi-med, kasha. Kasi garterize ang likod. Okay, brand new by H&M mga madam. Code ako brand new 580. Brand new 580 pesos. Code is brand new. Mind dry. Miss Jillian, madam, teka lang. Okay, Madam Faith Fernandez, madam, yours na. Miss Faith, yours na si madam. 380 lang. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, ha? Miss Faith, thank you. Dry, yours na Jillian. Si Dry. Jillian, napakaganda nito, me! Ay, hindi pala ito. Ang ganda nitong Dry. Super ganda ng quality. Okay, Madam Jillian. DL quality, like yours na. Hello, Madam Marifel. DL quality, mahal yours na to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, Laika. Uy, ang ganda nito, bakula. Wala ka kahapon sa new arrivals, no? DL brand new, Laika. Yours na din. Okay, Laika. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to. One, two, three. Ay, Miss Jillian, meron pa akong brand new na large. Baka magustuhan. Ay, hindi mo pala bet yung mga sexy neckline. This one is branded by Red Berry Fashion. Soft linen siya. V-neck size large po, ha? Okay, code ako strawberry. Zipper back to. Maganda to. Code strawberry 580 brand new. Code strawberry 580 pesos. Code is strawberry. Ay, like, kunin mo. Zara, brand new. Extra small to small, side zipper. Napakaganda bakla. Side zipper siya. Small best fit, super ganda ng tela. At saka ng kulay. Brand new ni Zara. 580, code ako kakaiba. Gusot lang talaga siya. Code kakaiba 580. Dal? Ano nga ba yung dal? Be, ano yung dal? Ito ba? Ito ba yung dal? Small hanggang medium. Dayan Punzalan, strawberry. Maganda to me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to. 580 lang. Miss Dayan, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to, Miss Dayan. Thank you so much. Okay, next one is, eto pa, large on the go. Branded by Tokito, long sleeves, pwedeng pang office. Ha, large. Best fit large, 380 na lang to mga madam. Button down yan. 380, code ako long. Code ng long, 380, adjustable waistband. Code ako ng long. Another large na on the go lang mga madam. Size large, stretchable to. 380 na lang. Code ako stretch. 380, code is stretch. Ay, ito, brand. Yung mga madam, ang ganda nito. Mamahalin. Small, medium, one-sided linen. Brand new by Gorman. Brand new by Gorman, ha. Linen, mga madam. Hanggang medium to. 289 Australian dollars. Medium. Okay. Code ako expensive 580. Actually, carry siya ng medium semi-large. No, nanay. Malaki siya. Medium semi-large. Saan? Code is expensive. Expensive ba sabi ko? Dal, yours na Ena. Miss Ena, yours na si Dal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Miss Ena, yours na to. Hawaiian dress. 480 na lang to. Anong Hawaiian, Beng? Ano yung floral-floral? Ganyan. Okay, next one. Oh, small mid. Branded by, divided by H&M. Side zipper. Like ko parang maganda to. Tapos pa likod siya. Ayan ha. Meron siya open back, divided by H&M bakla. Small, medium. Code is divided. Code ng divided. Side zipper, divided 480. Divided 480. Divided 480 pesos. Okay, next one. Uy, ang ganda nitong black na to. Small, medium, bebe. Ay, small lang pala. Extra small to small, side zipper to mga madam ha. Extra small to small, side zipper. Super duper nice nito. Diba? Ay, branded by Bershka. Code ako dito ng black. 480 black. Blue at purple. Ito ma'am, size large to. Okay, size large, V-neck, double lining. Code ako purple 480. Purple 480. And then for the blue, ito ba? Size large din to, pa-pop sleeves. Zipper back, soft linen naman to, B. Code ako blue 480. Blue 480. Another blue, this one is brand new. Best fit large, mga madam. Medium large. Brand new by Glasson. Sa full smack yung kanyang palda. Code mama ko dito ng bago, 580. Bago, 580. And then, this one is branded by Zara. Extra small to small. Napakaganda rin. Side zipper. Extra small to small, side zipper. Code ako social, 480 lang to. Social, 480. Ito plus size. Brand new. Ganda-ganda. Doll cut. Button down. Tapos, ayan siya ha. This one is again plus size. Code ako plus, brand new 580, button down all the way. Code plus 580. Plus for 580 pesos. Code ng plus. Okay, ano pang size ng mga bakla? Okay. Size nyo mga mi, let me know.